Okay, so this is quiz 37. Okay, so when the clock rises, the above counter changes state. Fill in the table below. So if we start out with 0, when we start, we're going to have 0, 0, 1 like this. And the next state, what's going to happen is 0 gets shifted into, or the Q2 gets shifted into Q1. This gets shifted in, Q1 gets shifted into Q0, and then Q2 is going to be, Q2 will be the XOR of these two signals. So, so we basically shift then the next cycle, these two shift over. We'll have 1, 1, and then we get the XOR of those two bits, which in this case is going to be 0. Now we shift over 0, 1, and we XOR these two bits, and we get 1. We shift over, XOR those two bits, we get 0. We shift over, we XOR those two bits, and we get 0. We shift over, we XOR those two bits, and we get 1. And that should be the end. And then down here, it's the same thing. We shift these two over, we XOR 0 and 0, and we get 0. Now we shift those over, XOR 0 and 0, and we get 0. So you can see it's just always going to be 0 all the way